Hi everyone, my name is Bilal from CodeVertex.com. This is my video about some of the lessons that I have learned from Steve Jobs' life and business ethics. I am sure there are many other such videos, however, this is how I feel about that great gentleman. The first thing that I can say about him is that Steve Jobs thought that being crazy, misfit, or being rebel is a good thing. He believed in being disruptive. We can see this in his business that once he created iTunes, it changed the way music industry works. When he created iPad, it had a disruptive effect on the way people consumed books and publishing industry. And similarly, iPhone changed the way mobile industry was being run. So he thought that to be disruptive is the only way to be progressive and moving forward. The second point is that he thought that customers are not always right. And he thought this because in his mind, and rightly so, he said that he is creating the future and the customer has not seen the future. How can they tell him what features should a gadget have once they have not even seen it? This is what when he was during his Macintosh days, when he was asked to carry out a market survey, he would say that Henry Ford once said that had Henry Ford asked people what they want in future as mode of transportation, the people would have said a faster horse, whereas that was not the future Henry Ford had in mind for them. The third thing is that he believed in selling user experience and not product. We can see this that all the Apple products, they've created the product as well as the software for them. And then they were sold from Apple stores. And then they had Apple support available to them. So he believed in creating a Apple universe in which everything is related to the other thing, giving users a complete experience. This can be said was not liked by many people because to some it is stifling. However, this is the way he did his business. The next thing is that Steve Jobs said that simplification is the ultimate beautification. This is clear from the things that he has made, like he went into great length when he created the dial for the iPod, or in Macintosh days he created a power supply which had no fans, thus had no humming sound. It backfired in some of the products. They became hot and they had to later on change the power supply. However, he went to great lengths to ensure that. Furthermore, when he came out with iPhone, who could have thought that there would be a mobile phone with just one button? So he simplified the things to a great level.